Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to upload larger files or big file size in cPanel in our folder using cPanel. Before starting work, as my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cPanel and then you see file upload and then you see maximum file size allowed for upload 500 MB. Drop files here to start uploading or select file. So this is our file and now you see file size is 970 MB, but in cPanel maximum file upload size 500 MB. So there are multiple ways to upload large files. So first way is to contact your hosting and then ask hosting to increase this file upload size 500 MB. So hosting support can increase. Another way is to convert your file into zip file. So this is our file, right click on it and then you see add to archive, so click on it. Now select zip and then click on OK. So this is our zip format and then you see file size 429 MB. Now back to cPanel. So we reduce file size using zip archive. Now select file, so click on it. Now select file. Now you see file upload starting. So in this way you can upload big file or large file if you have limit. Now you see if you want to increase this file upload size limit, then you can contact your hosting and hosting support can increase this file upload limit size, or you can convert your file into zip archive and then upload. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.